Hey guys, Austin Williams. I'm going to be teaching about the cognitive theories of learning learned about in Chapter 6. I hope I can give you some useful information to carry forward in the session. So first off, what are cognitive theories? Now, theories are macro ideals, which mean they take over the broad of what we're talking about, of the processors and how they affect varying learning styles. So there are a couple different ways these styles can affect us. There's a few different guys, a few different ideals. Piaget and Vygotsky, they have different theories on the ways that cognitive learning can affect our process of educating our young learners. We have to see that these theories are more of a broad, step-by-step tool and not a finite this, and this. They try along this direction, but we have to understand that everyone is individual. That's why there are multiple theories and not just a single baseline. This is how you learning is a unique experience. Cognitive skills are there to make sure the mental processors of various learners and various styles are treated with equal respect and equal opportunity to further that own individual learning style. So the concept I talk about, as I said, on theory, and this has a four-step process of mental development. This process starts with an infant, and it takes you step by step, and each age group has different objectives to reach. For example, if you're a young learner, you have a different goal than a 10-year-old will have. An infant is trying to master motor skills, while a 10-year-old has different memory and different type of cognitive abilities. We have to correlate these skills with the evolving age groups so that we can have an accurate assumption and accurate assessment of the individual learners we have. This theory is great for young education professionals because it shows you the finite steps, the finite areas that you have to focus on with your age group. Now, Vygotsky in his social cultural theory, it is more broad scale. Where are you from? How does this affect your learning style? Most of us are from Arkansas, but Arkansas is a big place. Northwest Arkansas, Central Arkansas, Little Rock, Northeast Arkansas, where I'm at, and Southeast Arkansas, Marcello, are all totally different places. We all learn different ways because of the environment we're around. We all learn different ways because of the people around. The socio-cultural theory says that whatever you're around, the environment, the people, whoever you're with, this all plays a role in your learning process. It is important we understand this so that we can see how to reach those affected cultural issues, such as inner city, such as single household kids, such as anyone disadvantaged, and we can target the areas that need to be addressed. Now, there are real-world applications to these theories. We have to be able to implement these theories to our early educational. We must have this in our toolbox. Arkansas lesson plans that we go through, we need every asset possible to individualize and to build the ability of our students to learn. Understanding our age and what our issues are and what we need to push them towards will give us more and more of an advantage in planning our lessons. As stated earlier, our learners are unique. They have different ways of finding information. Our learners have different ways of receiving information. They have different ways of conveying information. The bottom line is they learn differently than you and I. They learn differently than you. I make this PowerPoint differently than you. It is important, a step-by-step process for various learners so that we can always ensure top quality education. This brief summary of theories was helpful to you, and I hope you have a great day.